Hello and welcome to another do-it-yourself video. Today we will be replacing spark plugs and ignition coils on a Volkswagen 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine. We are working on a 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan. As far as I know, this is a widely used motor for Volkswagen, so these steps, this procedure should work for the Jetta, for the Golf, for the Passat, for the Tiguan, and any other Volkswagen that uses this 2.0 liter 4-cylinder motor. To start, just gently pull off this engine cover. There we go. Set it aside. And here we have the 4 ignition coils, and underneath we have the spark plugs. Next step is to remove the wiring harness off of the ignition coils. Be very gentle with these pins. They are very brittle and easy to break, but essentially just put in a screwdriver, gently pull back, and you'll see the mechanism kind of clip off of these pins right here, and then just gently slide it off. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 just to unclip them, and then I pushed the whole thing off. Next step is just to pull the ignition coils out, gently wiggle them. I use both hands, basically from all 4 corners, wiggle, and then they'll come out. Here's what they look like. Here are the old ones and the last one. Be very careful here, especially once you pull the plugs out, so you don't drop any debris or any gunk gets in there, because that will be an additional problem on your hands. Next step, using a 5/8 spark plug remover with an extender, drop it in, and I have already pre-loosened them. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, and essentially take out the spark plugs. Starting to pull the spark plugs out. This one is definitely caked in oil. This one is burnt off but dry, so it was way overdue for spark plugs. You'll barely see them in there, and they are slightly sideways because I just dropped them in. So now you want to gently start screwing them in. Make sure you do not cross thread. It's very difficult to cross thread, but if you do, good luck. So just be very mindful of that. Nice and gentle. And this process is very important. Once you got him in quite a bit, then you could start using a tool. But this step, I absolutely always do by hand. All right, I got the spark plugs in, and I opened up the ignition coils, which I purchased from Amazon, brand new. Check this out. This is what I got, brand new from Amazon. Look at the rust. All 4, these 2 are the same. This one is different, this one is different. Look at that. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 4, cylinder 3. From Amazon, brand new. What is this garbage? Wow. But what we're gonna do is put the old ignition coils on, just to finish up this video. I mean, you guys will see how it's done. Just put your new ones in when you're doing this job, but I'm gonna put my old ones in. Maybe the misfire will go away, and who knows. But we're gonna find out, and let's get started. Here's what it looks like. We're just gonna gently drop these in. And you have these ridges from both sides that will help you guide the ignition coils. Put them in. Push down all the way. There we go. Now we get to connect everything. There we go. There's a clip, 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 and clip. That's it, guys. You are done. And would you look at that? No more misfire, no more shaking from the motor. Sounds beautiful. So I guess I didn't need new ignition coils, but I was willing to do them if Amazon hadn't screwed up. So now we get to put the cover back on, and this job is done. Guys, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys joining me, and subscribe to see other do-it-yourself videos. Have a blessed day.